First things first, you're starting.
Can't make a bird noise.
Something besides woof.
Woof.
Woof. Woof?
Woof.
No, you gotta woof. Like you mean it.
No.
Woof.
It's probably... Is there dirt all over my face?
No, you're good.
Alright.
Woof.
Bark.
Woof.
Bark.
Don't bark. Bark's on Tweed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have nothing else to say to that. Caw, caw.
Caw, caw.
Moo.
Ooh.
Moo. Stop.
I don't know any noises. That was perfect. I don't know how to do that.
I can make perfect pig noises.
You kind of look like one too.
Well, you smell like a monkey. And you look like one too.
Bitch. Who is it? Who is it?
Your mother.
Hello, mother.
She calls her now.
How are you doing? Wait, where are you at? Oh, yeah, at work. Wait, you have work tonight? I didn't know you have... What? Oh, you're working 7 days. Still, I forgot. Yeah, that's fucking gay. Yeah, I will be. And that's fucking gay. The fact that you have to work 7 days for, like, the rest of your life. Wait, you didn't? Oh. Alright, love you.
That's a little dirty.
Bye.
Oh. No, let me see that.
Oh, baby. It's not dirty. Just how to focus it.
No.
Oh, you can have this back. What the fuck are you...
I'm cleaning it.
Fire's going down. I can't see you.
Meow. Good.
Not good. Like shadow.
Hi.
Fucking exorcist.
At least you can't see me.
Shut up. Yeah, it's a party. I love you. I love you, baby.
How do you say it all creepy?
I love you.
I love you too.
Did you just make a heart?
Yeah.
Aww.
Heart.
I can't see it.
Heart.
Can't see it.
Oh. Wait, yep.
I'm not gonna fucking throw it.
No.
Fine,
I'm
just put it in front of you.
Yeah.
Can't see it.
Nope. Get
It's
over
not
it.
far enough.
Yeah, where's
Further,
the camera?
further.
Up, there it is.
My heart rock. Hell yeah.
Heart rocks.
Hey, do you see smoke coming off that stick that I threw?
Yeah.
Yeah. Should probably get that
Nah.
later.
Nah. Let's get one wood.
Alright. Let's do this. I can't see shit. Yeah, it's a party. And I party hard. Whoa, don't jump on me.
I was just jumping.
Alright, there's no point in videotaping. All you see is the lights over there. What is over there?
That's the park.
No fucking way.
Yes. That's the park.
Are there even trees over there? Like cutting it off? Is there really? So you can't just walk right through there?
No. Yeah, no.
What the fuck? That's bullshit. Screw that. Now I want to go to the park. Stop galloping. Skippy. You start calling you Skippy instead of Spanky. You know I can't see anything. Skippy.
Stop skipping, so stop calling me Skippy.
Alright, Spanky.
I'm better at that.
Dude, what is this shit? Come here. Why is that glow in the dark?
It's not, it's just white so the light reflects on it.
Oh.
Yep. Ah, not skipping.
I'm gonna fall. Ow. Alright. Can't see shit out here. Is that enough?
I only got 3.
Oh, that's enough. For now. Yeah,
Oh,
you can
maybe
go ahead and carry him.
3.5.
Ow. Coming. Get it? Coming. Hey, I got a question.
Yeah.
Where the fuck is the moon?
It's in hiding.
What the hell, man?
It's in hibernation.
Why is the moon in hibernation?
Because the man on the moon got tired and retired.
Oh, did he really? Man on the moon's a fuck pussy. Yeah, I just seen a dead body. You see that?
That was some crazy shit.
It was pretty cool. I teabagged him. You smell something? I still smell socks.
So we didn't want to get away.
My mom's at work. I didn't even know that. Look at the fire in this. Like where it's not actually on fire, it looks purple.
It's awesome. I wish hell would look like that.
Hell?
Yeah.
Hell was purple? Dude, I'd go there in a second. Let me get a picture of this.